Okay student, now we are going to discuss about different question. In this question they mention two concentric circle. What is the meaning of concentric? Two circle having the same center. Those circles called as concentric circle. Two concentric circle are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So first of all we are going to draw the figure. They talking about two concentric circle. So we will draw the figure like this. This one is my first circle and this one is my second circle, and it having same center O. Now they mention radius of the circles are 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So radius of the smaller circle is 3 centimeter and radius of the larger circle is equal to 5 centimeter. Now they want to find out length of AB because this is chord of the larger circle and it is tangent to the smaller circle. So they mention in the statement, find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So they want to find out the value of AB. Clear? First of all we will talk about the smaller circle. In smaller circle OC is radius. In smaller circle OC is radius and AC is tangent, and we know that radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So OC is perpendicular on AC. Therefore angle OCA that is equal to 90 degree, means this one angle is equal to the 90 degree. Now if this is the 90 degree angle, therefore triangle AOC is right angled triangle. It is right angle triangle. Now if it is a right angle triangle, then Pythagoras is applicable here. And what is the Pythagoras? Base square plus perpendicular is equal to the hypotenuse square. Now base in this triangle is AC square, perpendicular is OC square, and hypotenuse is OA square. AC square we want to find out. OC we know that is 3 square and OA is equal to 5 square. So AC square plus 9 is equal to 25. AC square is equal to 25 minus 9. So AC square is equal to 16. So AC value is equal to 4 centimeter. So we are having AC value is equal to 4 centimeter. But we want to find out the value of AB. For it I am going to join A with B point, and I am going to apply here congruency rule which we already completed in our 9th class. So I am going to take two triangle in it. First of all, in triangle OAC and triangle OBC, we know that OC is equal to OC, that is the common. Clear? And angle OCA, it is equal to angle OCB, and both is equal to the 90 degree, because if one angle is 90 degree then other will be also 90 degree, because sum of the this total angle is equal to 180 degree. Next is OA is equal to OB, because it is radius of the larger circle. It is radius of larger circle. So by RHS congruency criteria, what is RHS? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. By RHS, triangle OAC is congruent to triangle OBC. and if these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. It means AC is equal to CB by CPCT. By CPCT, AB is equal to CB. Now AB line, that is equal to AC plus CB, but these both are equal, so I can write on the place of CB AC because both are equal. AC value is 4, again AC value is 4, so total is a 8 centimeter. So AB value is equal to 8 centimeter, and this we want to find out.